Yes, you absolutely can make hot chocolate with your K-Cup coffee maker. Very simple to do. The only thing you need is your reusable K-Cup pod. And again, it doesn't matter if you have a Mr. Coffee, if you have a Keurig coffee maker, whatever brand you have, same concept. So you have your reusable pod that looks like this. It's got a filter on it. Only thing you need is 100% cocoa. Get 100% cocoa, and then you could add your additives like sugar and milk at the very end. Go ahead and get your cocoa out. Fill up your reusable pod with 100% cocoa, and I'm actually going to add some cinnamon, which is also very, very, very healthy. 100% cocoa has polyphenols, it has omega-3, it has a lot of vitamins and minerals in it. It's very good for your heart. All right, so I just went ahead and added my cinnamon. All right, let's go ahead and fill it up with water. All right, let it do its magic. Now we can add whatever we want to it. We can put sugar in it. Now I'm going to put stevia in there because I want to be a little bit healthier. So go ahead and put a pack of stevia. You could put milk. You could put coconut milk, which is a very healthy alternative to regular milk. Let's go ahead and put some Cool Whip on top. And that, my friends, is how you make chocolate milk using a K-Cup coffee maker. Not bad. Not bad at all.